Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be touring my new room at the new res. So yes, behind me we're having the door, and that is a suitcase that I'm having because I couldn't put it anywhere. I decided to put it there. Okay, the next to the suitcase, that's the heater, and that's the fridge. That is the bed. I love that mat down there. And this open thing next to the bed, I'm just using it to put in my undies. The window is there, and that's the wardrobe there. A little bit of music there, and my books. Oh god, I love them. And this is the picture of my grandmothers, and these are the books that I'm supposed to read. I've read about the 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I've read about 5 of them here, and the rest I still have to read them. And that's my calculator, the mask, and tissues. That's the camera there. Those are my bags up there. I think I need more of backpacks. I'll have to visit Mr. Price to find more. And then here we are having, that's my PC, and this is just the cable. I don't know what this is. This is just a board. I think you have to write here using a chalk. Yeah, you have to write here using a chalk, I guess so. And then I think this one with the shelves is a study table, and this one I think is a table that you're supposed to use when you are eating. That is what I think, but I'm not sure if I'm right. On top here, those are my keys, and that's my iron, and that's the kettle. The kettle is in the kitchen. In the previous video, I think you saw how the kitchen looks like, and how when you get here, the room that you find, how does it look like. And my fridge is empty. I'm not gonna show you my fridge, my inside of my fridge, because it's just so damn empty. I did pack well here. This is the wardrobe inside. I only hang some dresses and one thing here, and my jeans, all my jeans are hanged here. So that's the laundry thing. And here, these are my clothes. Yeah, I know I need more clothes. Shoes down there, toiletries here, and jerseys up there. And then on top, like up there in that Pick and Pay plastic, those are my toiletries. Every year at the end of the year, I buy like a whole bunch of toiletries, because I never know how the financial life will be in the following year. So I make sure to have toiletries. My mom always tells me that no matter what happens, never run out of toiletries. So I buy a whole bunch. So I'm pretty sure those ones, they will last me the whole year. They fill the whole plastic. And then that is just the base or the basin that I use sometimes. And behind that Pick and Pay plastics, just a whole lot of books. You can see them. A whole lot of books that I'm not gonna use this year. So I don't think I'm gonna use them. So I just decided to put them in there. And yeah. The next thing, how the light is. It's ovalic shape, kind of. It's circular, but the top part is kind of ovalic. And that is it. And yeah, I think that is it. This is the suitcase, because I couldn't fit it underneath the bed. Underneath the bed we have this thing. I don't know what's the name of it, but this thing, you use it to put in stuff. You see? Yes, you put in your stuff in here. That suitcase couldn't fit in here. It was like going up to this height, and it couldn't get in underneath. And that space there, it also couldn't fit there. That is why I decided to put it there at the corner. There's the bin there, the black one. Can you see it? Yes, that's the bin. And yes, the room is big. I love it. Yes. Previously, I was staying at a catered residence, which is Medhurst. You might have seen videos of it. Right now, I moved to Junction. Yes, I moved to Junction, which is a self-catering rest. So guess what? I am cooking for myself. One day you'll see some of my cookings, right? And that is all. Yeah, that is all you need to see. This is the room, and it's big. It is big. It is really big. There is enough space to accommodate friends here. Can you see? This is really big. This is big. Hey boo, why is the camera losing focus? I'm sorry about that, but this is big. So that is just the tour around the room. Okay, do you love it? Tell me in the comments if you love it. Okay, so thank you for watching and bye bye.